Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown here to slow it down. Today's tutorial focuses on enhancing your tables by incorporating search, pagination, and sorting features using the data table generator by Supsystic. First, you need to create your data. You can create a new table and copy-paste your data or use import option. I have uploaded my data using CSV and customize my table a bit. If you haven't seen our 4-part series tutorial, I recommend to start watching it first before heading to this video. Now, let's go to our Settings tab, and click on the Appearance option. And click on the Fixed Table Layout and Compact Table. The compact table will reduce the amount of white space in the table. And right here where you can check your table responsiveness, from desktop to mobile. Then tick on Disable Wrapping, so every word in the cells will be in one single line. Then check Row Striping, to add automatic highlight for table odd rows. Now let's head on to Features options and add our sorting, search and pagination. To allow dynamic sorting with arrows you must enable Header option. Now let's go to Main options, and click on Header. Perfect. Next, let's tick the pagination box and customize pagination list content. Here you can set the number of rows to display on one pagination page. Establish several numbers separated by comma to let users choose it personally. You can also change the text for your pagination page under the text option like so. Now let's go back to Features option and change our pagination size here. We can change it from small, medium to large. Scroll top by pagination is awesome for a large datasets. It is used to scroll to the top of the table when pagination is changed. Since I have only a small datasets, I will just turn it off. Also for server-side processing. This option is recommended for large tables that cannot be processed in conventional way. Best for web developers. Let's head to searching. Once ticked, you will get a search box and more search options. You can add search by columns like so. You can add search by columns like so, letting your visitors have more control over their search in detailed. You can choose between top to bottom too, it's all about preference. You can also enable search by hidden fields, show only search results, and have it on strict matching. Now let's hit save and copy-paste our shortcode to our page. This plugin offers a powerful yet user-friendly solution for enhancing your website's data management capabilities. With features like search, sorting, and pagination, you can provide your users with a seamless and efficient browsing experience. Take your website to the next level today. Visit our website to learn more and download the plugin. Only in Supsystic.